Say hi, Mommy. We're going to color you a picture. See the picture we're going to color? Grandma helped draw it, didn't she? Land, you going to color? You going to color, huh? Okay, get your color out. Get your color out. Do what Grandma does. Color, color, color. Color, color, color.
You don't color
First
your
experience with colors. They smell good, don't they? They smell really different. The crayon smell. You are an artist at work. Oh, not in the mouth. Colors don't go in the mouth. Here, can you pick out some different ones? Pick out a color. Which one do you think we should use, huh? Oh, two dark purples and a green, maybe? It's a flower. What color should it be? Okay, color on the paper. Do what Grandma does. Color. Color like that. Do that. There you go.
Color.
Okay, color more. Oh, not in the mouth. Nope, not in the mouth. Not in the mouth. No, just on the paper here. See, on the paper. You like the one Grandma just had? No, don't put it in your mouth. Do you tell the colors by taste, huh? Red would be good. Red would be a good one to use. Hey, what do you think? Is that flower for Mommy? Huh? Say hi, Mommy. I promise I will never put crayons in my mouth. I promise. Oops, I forgot the promise now. Here. No. What are you doing, huh? You silly boy. You can't put those in your mouth. You gotta color. Oh, you're not too good at coloring so far, are you? Okay, yeah, you get the paper out.
It's a pretty picture. Show it off.
It's very pretty. Lennon's gonna give it a big wet kiss, aren't you? For Mommy. Big wet kiss. For Mommy. You can color it with kisses. Is that nice, huh?